Welcome back to my channel. So girl, today we are going to be doing a wig review, and this company by the name of Sogoodhair was sweet enough to reach out to me to do a review for you guys. And this is the box here. Okay, so let me just show you guys what I got in the box. I'm really excited for this wig because I love this wig. Okay, so this is what I got in the box. This is the wig, and it comes in this nice little mesh stuff. Also, let's just see what's in this little package here. So I got this lashes here. Nice. I think this is the band, like when you glue down your hair, you could use it to stick down your edges. Okay, also I get some bobby pins, and I got a stocking cap. I also got the clips for the wigs. I got a spoolie. So this is what I got in here as well. I guess this is an elastic band. So I got a lot of stuff in here. Thank you. So let me just give you guys a little specs about the wig. And girl, I love this wig because it's like, wait a minute now. So this is the Nicole Kinky curly pixie cut human lace wig. It's a natural black hair. The texture is curly. It's a light brown color, and the length is as picture shows. The material is 100% virgin human hair, and the density is 150. Cap size average to 22.5. I think my head is maybe around that size, 22 to 23. They have two cap size. They have the small, which is 21 inch, and the average is 22. But this is the wig right here, and let's just see what the wig look like. It's a curly wig, girl, and it feels very soft actually. Let's just take it out from here. Wow, really nice. I love it. Okay, you guys know I like to smell stuff, so I have to smell it. It actually smells really good. It don't smell like any fragrance or anything like that. This is what the wig looks like. I think this is around 13 by 4, and the lace is really structured good. Like you guys could see what the inside looks like. I'm so happy like this don't have any smell. So let me just put it on and see what she looks like. Let's see. So since this is a short wig, I really don't have to do too much to it, but I want to see what I could do with it. But I just want to show you guys. So I'm just trying to, like, I look crazy, right? I think I want to wet this and like shampoo it and see what it looks like. But this is what it looks like straight out from the box. So I think I'm gonna wash it, and then we're gonna see what it looks like. So I'm gonna do that, let it dry out for the night, and then we're gonna come back the next day and see what it looks like. I gave you guys a look at the hair in the beginning. I really do like this hair, very full and it's very soft. I just wet it again and then I use this conditioner, girl. This is like my favorite right now. I use this to bring out the curls a little bit and it works really nice. This is what it looks like right here. So I did put a little powder, you know, to make it look a little bit more natural, but you really don't have to put powder if you don't want to. And the size, you guys see how full it is. Now this is more like a Jericho, like I don't know if you guys know about Jericho here, but it's more like a Jericho texture. It's like really soft and nice. This works pretty good. I love the hair. So right now it's like drying the curls, like you guys can see the curl pattern. I don't remember how much for this wig, but I will put all the information in the description box below. So this is my first time working with Sogoodhair, and the name speaks for itself because this is some good hair. Okay, this is like the first time I work with a company and the hair don't have any smell. It's full and it's just a beautiful hair. Okay, it's just really nice. Like, oh my god, I'm really impressed with this wig, girl. The back is really full, so it goes all the way down, and it's very natural. It's a natural texture here, you guys could see. But let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this wig. I would love to hear from you guys. Also guys, I will put everything in the description box below where you can find this here. Also, I think they have an Instagram account. I'm also going to put that in the description box below. But thank you guys so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye.